Hello and welcome to another lesson with me, Daryl, at Guitar Tuition East London. Cool, today I want to take a look at your soloing, and we're going to take a look at how can we make even the simplest solos or phrases of notes on the guitar as a beginner start to sound good. So we're going to take a look at some of those phrasing elements and we're going to work on the guitar. So one of the things that I hear people playing around when they start just noodling on the guitar is they learn pentatonic position 1, which is, just to remind you, 5-8 on string 6, 5-7, string 5, 5-7, 5-7, 5-8, 5-8. And those are cool. But one of the things about knowing that scale is, even once you know it, you can play up and down as much as you want, but it doesn't sound like music yet. So the real difference is made by adding some flavor to it, just like your chicken in the oven. If you don't have any flavoring on it, it's going to taste a bit dry. The scale is like it's just a resource, something simple to use, and then we have to add taste to it. One thing we're going to add today is some double picked notes. So instead of us just playing those 5 notes, where I've gone 5-7 on string 3, 5-8, 5-8 on string 1, we're going to double pick every other note and see how it sounds. So okay, so that was, this one plays once, all the ones on this side of the guitar I'm playing twice. Way more interesting then. Okay, so try just that idea and try and apply it all over that scale, because it sounds nice, and as a beginner, I want you to start using these ideas. That's the first thing. And I want you to take it on a backing track. On YouTube, you can go and type A minor backing track, and it'll come up with thousands of options in whatever style you like, and try this idea. You could do it with the whole scale. Okay, and it'll begin to sound nicer. There's a second one that I want you to try. This is number 2 for you to have a go at and start using. This is a semitone slide, so just a 1 fret slide in, and it'll sound cool. So if we take the same idea, and now you're going to go on all the first notes on this string, we're going to go with the outside ones here. All right. Cool. So those slides in, as you're doing the slide, probably the most important thing for you to be thinking about is you need to have that finger pressuring the string the whole time. One thing I see guitar players do all the time in the first time with slides is they're so used to relaxing the finger while they move, so they go like, it ends up sounding like this. If you want it to sound good and you want to maintain that note, you have to keep the pressure down. So you'll want to practice it really slowly at first, so you can feel the finger with the pressure on the string. That's really important. Now, if you can do each of those separately and you've had a practice of them, let's combine them. So we're going to do the slides on this side, double picks on this side. That's all I want you to do. And once you've got it, please don't get stuck on the examples that I gave you. Take those ideas and apply it to the whole scale. If you know another scale, try it on that scale. But start trying to take little ideas and apply double picking some of the notes and doing a 1 fret slide on the other notes. It will make your playing sound way more interesting, and it's fun. Music's about having fun and playing stuff that sounds cool. Have a great time. If you're interested in learning more or you have any questions about this session, put in comments below. If there's something in particular you'd like me to make a video on as well, put it in the comments below. If you're interested in taking guitar lessons, we have a school in London. Hit us up on our description. There is a link to our website where you can get in contact with us and learn about lessons. Looking forward.